Hello and welcome to TikTok Shop Connector by SPL. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to optimize your TikTok products using our app to improve their ranking and visibility, driving more sales to your store. Whether you're just getting started or already selling on TikTok, this tutorial will help you make your products stand out. There are two main ways to optimize your products: using AI-powered optimization, or manually optimizing with SPL's Power Editor. Let's dive in. To get started, click on the Optimize TikTok Products option right here. Now, click on the Optimize button next to the product you want to improve. Once you click it, AI will automatically suggest SEO-optimized content for each step to help your product rank higher in TikTok Shop. For product images, the best practices for your product images are given here. Add at least 5 high-quality images with no borders and a clean, neutral background. This makes your products look professional and appealing to customers. Next, AI will suggest an SEO-approved product name based on the most relevant keywords for your product. Select the suggested keywords and click Regenerate to get new options. Once you're happy with the name, click Apply to save it. Now, let's optimize your product description. AI will provide a description that's not only catchy but also SEO-friendly. If you like it, simply click Apply to use it. You can also add size details if your product requires them. Fill out the information and you're good to go. Finally, click Submit, and your product is now optimized and ready to rank higher in TikTok Shop. If you prefer more control over your optimization, you can use SPL's Power Editor. Here's how. Click on the Edit button next to the product you want to optimize. Now, you'll see recommendations for each step, along with a chart showing your optimization percentage. The more info you add, the better your product will rank. You can add categories and product attributes, like color, material, and more. These help improve your product's visibility on TikTok and make it easier for customers to find exactly what they're looking for. You can also modify or add product variant if they are missing from your Shopify product listing. Don't forget to add your shipping details. This is important for calculating shipping costs at checkout. Once you've filled everything out, click Save. Your product is now 67% optimized. To further boost your ranking, continue adding more details and information. The more complete your product listing, the better your chances of being discovered by TikTok shoppers. And that's it. You've learned how to easily optimize your TikTok products with the help of our app. Thanks for watching.